Stuffed chilies. Take a pan, pour 2 spoons oil, let it heat. Add little cumin in the oil. Add 1 cup besan, salt, chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, garam masala. Add all masala into besan. Fry all ingredients until you get nice aroma. Cut chilies and remove seeds. If you like it spicy, no need to remove seeds. Stuff the chilies with this fried masala. Remaining masala you can store in a airtight bottle. Take a pan, pour 2 spoons of oil. Let the oil heat up. Gently place stuffed chilies in oil. After toasting both sides, take the chilies into a plate and serve with steaming hot rice. This is a very good combination to eat with rice.